Here we go. It's Kimmey, the three-legged dog, only one leg in front, digging for ground squirrels. Kimmey, you got the squirrels? Get that squirrel. Get that squirrel, Kimmey. It's me walking down the steps trying not to fall. Dig it, Kimmey. Get that. This dog can dig holes with one leg in the front. She's not handicapped. Get it, Kimmey. Hi, Kimmey. Handsome. Handsome, you got two legs. Can you manage to dig a hole? Come on, help her. Get those squirrels. Get those damn ground squirrels. All right, everybody look up and smile. Kimmey, handsome, Kimmey. Good girl.